We started with assembly, CTO projects, but ventured into small-scale production now. And this is part of our strategy really to become a long-term partner in India.
Good evening, everyone. I am thrilled to welcome you all to the West India Customer Technology Day in association with German Engineering Federation, VDMA.
Today's event of WEISS, I think this is a very good example because WEISS is a typical so-called German Mittelstand or the mid-size company and a family-owned enterprise. So WEISS investing in India and having big plans for India really shows the confidence of the German SME sector in the Indian market. And I'm sure more companies like WEISS or the other German MSMEs will also view Indian market more progressively and see the potential in the Indian market.
Yeah, this event is very supportive in such a way that it brings a lot of people in one platform and everybody expresses their views, and then as an outsider, sometimes as a new participant, we are able to understand how people think, which helps us to drive our business in the right direction. So as an integrator, we always love to use the best systems in our machine so that the machine performs in the best way it can for our customers. So we always recommend WEISS as a system which is the heart of our machine.
I would like to thank WEISS for bringing us here, calling us for this day. We have some interaction with other people also here, some consultant people and everything, so that will be helpful for us to grow as a as an organization as well as a automotive cluster.
Event is a good platform for everyone coming freely, so we can discuss with them, we can generate good leads here, we can generate good contacts here as well. We are currently using their products and their products are very good. If I rely on a WEISS automation, they have a good indexers in that, and they will give the better accuracy as well, repeatability as well, and the speed as well.
This is the best strength of WEISS, being a good engineering team in place, because always when you have a good engineering team, you can offer much more optimized solutions to your customers. This has given us an edge over others in this market, and going forward this will help us in entering into all other different segment industries where we are not catering as of now. We are strong in some segment industries and we would like to go into that. So our engineering capabilities will definitely help us to understand those requirements in a much more better way and offer solutions.